to start the book club is also pretty simple to focus 2 to 3 important part of it. One, we all know that book reading is important, but somehow or the other we never discipline ourselves to pick a book or pick what book to read, which book learnings we have to apply, and how to create that atmosphere such that book reading also becomes fun. So that is one part of it. Second part is that to help people to really apply the learnings in real life, we have a lot of motivation speakers, seminars, a lot of books. But when it comes to application, this is where the challenge comes into the picture. So this platform and the coaching and mentoring setup helps us to really understand the content and get a better perspective and really apply in a real life. That is the main agenda. Third, and definitely the third agenda is that to improve your skills, to improve your presentation, to improve your communication skills so that you can connect with your audience better and pass the message in your own unique way, in much better way. And the fourth and final part, we do have a syllabus around the book club. So people who are currently new, they can pick our syllabus. The book syllabus consists of 5 books right now, which you're currently following. We'll definitely keep upgrading and updating in the coming few weeks. But the current books are Think and Grow Rich, How to Win Friends, Influence People, Magic of Thinking Big, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, and the fifth one is Rich Dad Poor Dad. And we have created a short syllabus out of it, picking 5-6 chapters from each book, so that you go to that childhood phase where we used to have our school wala feeling, and then we can do things in much more exciting. And you can also share your learnings with the person who invited you or with me, and see what kind of perspective we have for the similar content which we are reading. You reading and I reading will be always different. Alright, so this is the 4th point which I want to highlight. The final one is the theme of the book club is pretty simple. So people who have already prepared and shared their content and as well as fixed their topic since last book club, I have the list with me, and you can also raise your hands if you want to go first. And we have a timer to speak. We have around 2 minutes 45 seconds, which after which you will see a screen of timer which Girija will present. So this timer you will see, the moment you see the screen, it is just to give an indication that if you can summarize or if you can build a curiosity for the next book club, we can incorporate other speakers as well. It's not that I'll be stopping if you speak more, because who am I to stop? But if you speak more, then 3-4 people have to lose chances, because we have a limited amount of time of 90 minutes only. All right, so this is about it. And the last but not the least, please do genuinely appreciate or give good pointers, good feedbacks in the chat box, whatever you want to share positively, such that we can take those pointers and this person who's speaking, he can feel good about it and also improve his speaking in the upcoming book club.